हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आई एम साइलेंसर। एसके इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम आपको इलाहाबाद वीकली केसेस मैटर बोलेंगे। जो डिक्टेशन है लीगल मैटर का है, फॉर एपीएस के लिए है। जो स्पीड होगी 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट के हिसाब से होगा। तो हमने कुछ हार्ड वर्ड रखा है जो भी आपके डिक्टेशन में आएगा। तो इसमें एक आया है आपका एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन कमिश्नर। इसकी आउटलाइन कैसे बनाएंगे ये देखिए, हम आपको बताना है, नोट कर लीजिए। एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन, ये हो गया कमिश्नर, ये आपकी शॉर्ट कट आउटलाइन है। अब अगला क्या है, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर। ये तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर, ये हो गया आपकी आउटलाइन। तो आप इस आउटलाइन को नोट कर लीजिए। जो ये आउटलाइन दिया है ये आपका आउटलाइन लीगल मैटर है। लीगल मैटर का मतलब होता है बहुत सारे ज्वाइंटेड वर्ड होते हैं। इसकी स्पीड जो होगी 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट होगा, फॉर एपीएस के लिए है और ये स्पेशली इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के लिए है। तो इसमें आप आउटलाइन क्लियर कर लीजिए और हम आपको बोलने चल रहे हैं।
Hulwadi, Ramesh and Shamsher Bahadur Singh heard learned counsel for the petitioner as well as learned standing counsel and perused the materials on record. The petitioner, after fulfilling all the requirements and completing the formalities required, said to have moved an application on 20th July 2009 before the regional manager IFFCO Gorakhpur for issuance of a license for selling of manure, and pursuant to which a survey has also been conducted by the Assistant Registrar Cooperative Societies Jangal Kauria Gorakhpur of the place where the shop was proposed. In the survey report dated 13th August 2009, the distance between the Sadhan Sahkari Samiti and the place of the proposed shop was found to have been 3.5 kilometers, which may not affect the sale center of the Sadhan Sahkari Samiti. Apart from it, the CEO of IFFDC Gorakhpur has also made verification of the spot, and on such verification submitted a report dated 20th April 2010 to the Deputy Area Manager IFFCO Gorakhpur. Despite aforesaid formalities having been completed, when the license has not been granted to the petitioner submitted a representation dated 7th September 2010 to the respondent number 3, which has been dismissed by the respondent number 3 by the order dated 9th September 2009 on the ground that no sale center franchise can be established in the area where the sale center of the society is likely to be affected. By means of the present petition, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 9th September 2009 passed by the respondent number 3. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the proposed shop of the petitioner is at a distance of about 3.5 kilometers from the sale center of the Sadhan Sahkari Samiti, and the sale of the society is not going to be affected by any way. It is further submitted that in a letter dated 23 September 2009 written by the respondent number 3 to the Deputy Area Manager IFFCO Gorakhpur, it has been informed that by a letter dated 9 December 2008 issued by the Agriculture Production Commissioner, it has been instructed that in those areas where the cooperative societies are ineffective, the franchises may be established after taking approval from the concerned district magistrates. In the case of the petitioner, also the society is not functioning effectively, and by the sale of the manure, shell center of the society will not be affected. Learned counsel for the petitioner also relied upon a decision of the apex court in the case of state of UP versus Daulat Ram Gupta civil appeal special leave petition civil number 2339 of 2002 and other connected appeals in 2002, last suite SC 386 2020 bracket 2 AWC 1340 SC to support his submissions. Having heard learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned standing counsel appearing on behalf of the state respondents, it appears that respondent number 3 has taken decision not to issue a license to the petitioner to open a shop for distribution of manure on the ground that there is a cell center of the society in the year.